Hey Tubes, how's it going? Well, it's time to give Bert a little love. Bert's named after my Uncle Bert. He was my dad's older brother, and he's the one that got my dad started in old car collecting in the late 50s, 1950s, early 60s, and this was one of the cars that Dad dragged home about 1961 or so. And sat in the backyard under a tarp as I was a kid growing up for many years until Dad retired. And then after he retired, he got onto this and restored it. My brother-in-law helped with the bodywork, and Dad did them mostly mechanical refurbish on it. But it's got some issues. One of the issues is the carburetor. The float on the carburetor tends to stick, not stop the flow. I have to shut off the petcock on the gas tank every time I stop the car, or it just drips gas continuously. And the other thing is the front suspension needs a little attention. There's a ball and socket on a wishbone up in there. I need a light. Let me get a light. See what I can do for you. And here's Pebbly Poo. She's still with us. Still pretty skinny. Yeah, but she's doing good. Okay, I'm going to show people what's going on under here. There is a ball and socket right up in there at the end of this wishbone. And let's see if I can get there's the culprit right there. And the problem is, I mean, you can even almost see it, is it's so worn. That bottom cup has got a lot of wear in that with this front suspension, check this out. That's all loose stuff there. Huh. I think this thing could probably stand kingpins too, for that matter. I don't know if Dad put new kingpins in or not, but needless to say, there's that ball and socket's bouncing up and down. And so I got a hold of Snyder's, and they shipped me out this neat little kind of a repair kit here. It's a new ball, new socket, machine socket there, and then there's shims, so I can shim out the part on the bottom of the oil pan, and that should tighten things up and definitely keep it from rattling so much. But we'll take a look at that and see what we can do with that. Talk to you soon. Okay, definitely a significant difference between that one and that one. Holy cow, look at that. So I think what I'll do is I'll spray a little black paint on this just to get to match, and then I'll see about the shims on the top. I might need those on the top of the cup as well. Okay, got the new part in, and holy cow, what a difference there. I'm not feeling hardly any slop at all, and I think it's going to track a little better and go down the road a little straighter, maybe not wander around so much. So Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll let you know when I work on something else again. Take care.